In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Few people from a village were traveling to Hong Kong for the sake of settlement, since some of their relatives and village people were already settled over there, and these people were now traveling to Hong Kong. When they reached from their village, when they reached at Islamabad, one of them said that my mom will be baking the bread at Tanur now. He was so anxious to reach home, to be at home, and to eat the food he usually used to eat. It was a kind of biggest entertainment for him. He took it like that, unable to look forward, unable to peep into the future. He returned from there, and the rest of the people traveled to Hong Kong, got settled over there, became prosperous, their families, their children. Some of them have been taken to Hong Kong. Another some of them are living in the same village, but are very happy and very prosperous. The one who could not, the one who did not travel, his family is cursing him that had he been there, we too would have been prosperous enough. So, what was the reason? What was the difference between him and the rest of the people who are living there in the Hong Kong? It is a true story. It is a true story, not a fabricated one. Not for the sake of telling you and motivating you. Motivating you is of course a reason, but the story in itself is true enough. But the story in itself is true enough. Now, what to do? I think that it was his comfort zone. He refused to break. It was his comfort zone which he did not break. And it is the comfort zone which does not allow us to develop, which does not allow us to move forward, to prosper, to make progress, to be happy, and to earn the dignity in the society. It is the breaking of the comfort zone. Comfort zone is like a shell. Comfort zone is like an eggshell. Comfort zone is like an eggshell. Some of the people, despite the fact that the chick is there, but this chick finds itself unable to break the shell. That shell is a comfort zone. If the chick fails to do that, the chick will die inside that shell because the time he was supposed to spend inside the shell is over. It is the same with the humans. It is the same with the humans because our comfort zone lies like an eggshell and we are inside an eggshell. Unless and until we do break this eggshell, we will not be able to come out to the world. If we want to travel to the world, if we want to see the world, if we want to get out of the house, I think then only we will be able to make progress. Our homes are our comfort zone. Our homes are our comfort zone. And inside the home too, inside the home, even some of the people they are living inside their home, but they are not addict of their comfort zone. They are not enslaved and they are not shackled by their comfort zone. While being, I mean, it is particularly true. It is particularly true about the married women. It is particularly true about the married women. They do have to spend most of their time or almost all of their time inside the home. Those who are the housewives, housewives have to spend almost all of the time inside the home. But all of these housewives are not addict of comfort zone. I mean, they are most or maybe many of them, like the rest of us, are trying to do whatever they like, trying to do. Whether they succeed, whether they don't, is another thing. But they remain desirous and they are trying to do, they are always trying to do whatever pleases them, whatever gratifies them, whatever pleases them, whatever gratifies them. They are trying to do, they are desirous of doing. Now, these women are sick women. This is sickness. This is sickness. Now, this is sickness. And it is so with the men as well. It is so with the men as well. Many of the men, maybe most of the men, we are addict of our comfort zones. We want to remain in our comfort zone. We have certain addictions. We don't want to break those addictions. We don't try to break those addictions. We don't try hard to break those addictions. We don't want to succeed in breaking those addictions. That is why we fail to make progress. That is why we fail to make development. That is why we fail to prosper. That is why we fail to achieve our goals. If at all we are desirous of achieving our goals, if at all we are desirous of achieving our goals, we have to break the comfort zone. We do have to come out of the addictions. We do have to come out of the eggshell. Thank you.